What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man, back with another video, and today we have an early unboxing, an early first look, whatever you want to call it, a very fire pair of sneakers. You guys probably already know by the thumbnail what we are talking about today, but if you don't, we're about to get right into it, man. But if you are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel, ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops from the channel. Smash that like button, go for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know how we do over here. And if you guys do not mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. And so if you guys do not know, we are running a giveaway for a free pair of Air Jordan 13 Flints that just released recently last month. Arguably one of the best sneakers to release of 2020, man. So take advantage, try to win you a free pair of those Flint 13. Go check out the last video. I dropped all the details, all the rules in there, and I will leave some details and rules down below in the description box surrounding the free pair of Air Jordan 13 Flint giveaway. So with all that being said, let's get straight into this unboxing, this first look over these fresh pair of kicks, man, that we'll be getting in a couple of weeks. So let's get it. All right, guys, here we have it, man. Shouts out to the plug. You know who you is, man. I appreciate you for sending these over to your boy. We're about to get right into it. Let me not waste y'all time today. Let's get into the package. Let's get into the discussion over this sneaker, man. I really want to get you guys' opinion over the sneaker, and all of us just get a first look at these sneakers that we will be getting in a couple of weeks. Like I said, man, let's go ahead and pull these things out real quick. Throw the box out the way. It comes in the same box the Air Jordan 11 Concourse came in. Check it out. You got the Jordan right there, and you have Air surrounding that, and that red Jumpman in the middle. The size tag reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, white, university red, and black. And I got these things in the size 9. You guys already know how we do over here, man. Size 8.5, size 9, size 9.5 is usually my go-to sizes for anything that's releasing. It just depends sometimes. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick. Here you have it. Here you have it. Check them out. Drum roll, please. Vintage gang, let's get into it. And bam, there you have it, the Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Breads, whatever you want to call them. I'm not even sure what the official name of these things are, but I just seen a couple of reviews on Feet, man. Shouts out to Jay the Sneaker Guy. I actually seen my boy Joe do one as well, and I was like, bro, I gotta cop these things. Check them out. This is super fire pair of sneakers. You got the bread bottoms right here, and of course you got that traditional Concord upper. And you know, usually with 11s you get like a mesh upper, but the whole upper consists of leather going around the whole sneaker, man. Very clean sneaker. I had to get it early. I had to add to the collection in general, so I was like, man, why not bless the Vintage Squad and go ahead and show you guys this early pair of sneakers, man. So right now, off of first looks, tell me what you think about these sneakers. I think they are very clean. Just imagine if this shoe was in a hot top version. Could you imagine how much hype, how many people be anticipating to cop this sneaker? I said it before, if this was a hot top, this will be the sneaker of the year. But I do think that this is the sneaker to get for the summer, man. Probably one of the best, you know what I'm saying, shoes to get. Air Jordan 11 Low, but pretty much any low in general, man. Air Force Ones, Yeezys, there's a lot of different shoes you can rock during the summer, rock your shorts and stuff like that. And you ain't got nothing hugging your ankles, you feel me? Comes with some black tissue paper, nothing's fancy inside. Let's go ahead and throw that out the way. But something I wanted to talk about with this sneaker, man, was the release date, man. As far as we know, everything is getting pushed back to the right. And Jordan put out a message saying that we want everybody to be aware of what's going on now, and they don't want anything happening to, you know, the shipments going to the stores, you know, for the people that's actually going to consume the sneakers, man. You know, a lot of stores around the United States have been getting hit, getting looted, you know, due to protests, doing riots and stuff like that. So I understand where they're coming from with holding and pushing all the release dates back to the right. And I do believe this was scheduled to release June the 20th. But now they pushed back the hairs to the 12th, and I think they pushed back the Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct 2.0s to like the 20th or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm gonna give you guys the official release date down here, but I do think it is gonna change. It's gonna get altered due to everything that's going on in the world, man. There's a lot of crazy stuff happening. I can even see a lot of Jordans even getting pushed back even more, just depending on how everything is going around the world. We're gonna see. I'm gonna give you guys more updates, more details. If you guys do not know, I dropped a June Jordan release calendar, and it pretty much had all the dates prior to all this happening. So like I said, everything is changing. I'm gonna give you guys more updates, more details, probably in a live stream video to see when we are actually going to get some of these sneakers, man. And one of the most anticipated sneakers of this month, I must say, is these Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Breads. These things are just fire, man. I can't even lie, bruh. First, I was like, man, I'm really not feeling it. You can guys go check out the live stream. We was talking about some of the upcoming releases. I was like, bruh, I'm cool on them. But now that I have them in hand, I must say these things are super fire, man. That always happens to a lot of us sneakerheads. We see pictures online, and this is not due to shoe any justice at all. But when you get it in hand, you like, oh my God, like I don't know why they did the pictures like that online. It made me not even want the shoe. So like I said, I'm glad I have them in hand. You guys will definitely see a review and on feet over these sneakers coming tomorrow, and you're gonna see what kind of jeans and stuff like that to rock with these Air Jordan 11 Low Concord breads. So yeah, I want to get you guys' opinion down below in the comment section. Is this a cop? Is it a drop? Am I the only one that wished this shoe was a hot top? It would have went super crazy, man. Probably would be one of the best Air Jordan 11s ever released. That's just my opinion. You guys let me know how you feel about that. If this was a hot top version, how crazy would this release be? So here you have it, man. You have the Concords right here, Concord 11s, 45 on the back, and you have the 2019 breads right here, man. Super fire sneakers. These are a must in everybody's collection, I must say. If you are watching this video and you do not know what sneakers to go grab, what 11s to go grab, I would say these are the 1 and 2 right here to go get in the collection if you just starting up. So here you have it. Like I said, it has that bread bottom right here, and the upper is all that Concord. Check it out, check it out. Like I said, you guys let me know how you feel about these down below in the comment section. All right, guys, I appreciate everybody for pulling up to the video, checking out the first look over these Air Jordan 11 Low Concord breads. You let me know how you feel about these down below in the comment section. I am very interested in knowing how these things are gonna go upon the release day. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel. Ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops from the channel. Smash that like button for this first look over these Concord breads. And if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. And take advantage of that Air Jordan 13 Flint giveaway that we are running. It ends July 8th on my birthday. I'm gonna be going live, giving away a free pair of sneakers on my birthday, man. Super fire. I am happy to be able to give back to people. So yeah, man, with all that being said, I appreciate all the love and support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's video of the review and on feet over these Air Jordan 11 Low Concord breads.